Rigid, founded in 2010, is a miniature compressor innovation leader in China. We are creative and captures new technologies in mobile and compact cooling systems. Superior design, uncompromising quality, and a growing list of satisfied clients makes Rigid the pioneer in microcooling industry. Rigid has 2 manufacturing factories, 4 production lines with annual production capacity 50,000 units, 4 sophisticated HVAC engineers, and 45 skilled workers. Rigid implements dual control mode, using performance test equipment to precisely inspect product performance. Rigid also brings in a set of multi-level quality control and inspection mechanism to ensure product quality and in-time delivery. Equipped with semi-automatic production line and robot arm, our improved pre-sale, sale, and after-sale services, standardized production processes, and superb technology, Rigid microcooling units are very well received by the market and wins sound and high reputation in the industry. Today, Rigid has 3 major product lines: miniature compressors, micro DC aircon, and mini cooling systems. The products have been widely used in commercial and industrial sectors like laser, electronics, beverages, medical device, life science, countertop appliance, military, lithium battery, electric vehicle, racing and camping, body cooling, chip and semiconductor, and other mini-chilled water systems. The philosophy of Rigid is to research and develop high added value mini cooling products with impressive design. All our products are manufactured with complete control of every step to ensure uncompromising standards for ultimate performance, unmatched reliability, and highest durability are met. As a technology company, Rigid reinvests a large portion of corporate earnings back into research and development each year. Rigid has its own patents in miniature cooling technologies and has gained product certificates like CE, CETUV, ROHS, and UL. Besides, Rigid Factory implements 5S management system. We have got the ISO 9001 standard and rewarded with National High-Tech Enterprise in China. Rigid delivers goods to the whole world and becomes an indispensable partner by perfectly combining technology with service. Meanwhile, Rigid provides OEM and ODM personalized service for electric vehicle producers like Audi, XOS Trucks, and other famous companies like Nestle, Kohler, as well as many startups. Rigid has been the manufacturer who is behind many well-known brands in global. We are happy to manufacture or develop a custom microcooling solution to meet your specific demands.
We've been working with Rigid for more than 5 years. We are very happy with the product quality and on-time delivery. Rigid provides reliable micro-refrigerated systems for our equipment and improve the grade of our device. We look forward to further collaboration with Rigid.
Want more than just a standard refrigeration products? Want a custom compact cooling solution for your specific application? Go for Rigid. Do not hesitate to contact us. Email to info@rigidhvac.com.